Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to fix touchscreen not working problem in your Redmi A5 smartphone. So let's start the video friends. If you are touching the applications and it is not opening, or it is opening by tapping on 4 to 5 times on one particular application and now it starts, so it is definitely a hang problem. So you have to fix it by doing software update in your smartphone. If it has, you have to definitely do it. Secondly, you have to go to the settings, click on applications, then click on see all applications, click on search, and right here in Google Play Services you have to clear cache this application, and then you have to type here Android system, then just clear cache this also and simply press back and restart your device, so it will fix your touch problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.